people in healthcare, when they talk about AI, it's almost like Schrodinger's cat. You know, are we talking about something that's closed? Or are we talking about something that's open? So because it's like that Schrodinger's cat, we've had to be kind of vague, almost in our language. But now I think my opinion, and I think the opinion of a lot of my colleagues, the box is open now.
Mhm.
And it's open source. So how does the conversation change? How do we talk about it now? You only have 3 minutes.
No, it is completely, I completely agree. Actually, when people also say to me about if everything need to be open source, I like, of course, open source. I also use not open source technologies. I think important in the health domain is that we are talking open source or not, we have to talk about open models, open information model. It means that information is collected in a neutral and based on metadata, based on open specification, like OpenEHR, like FHIR, like OMOP. Even you have on the top, or even you build on the top of this one open source or one commercial platform, it is not the main challenge now. I think the main challenge is that we create this ecosystem of health data based on these open models. If we base this in these open standards, we can develop one artificial intelligence algorithm, and then this algorithm can be trained and validated on the top of OMOP CDM, and then you can execute for healthcare on the top of OpenEHR. And it doesn't matter that they are different format, because when we have data really interoperable in a semantic way, even the data is in one format or other, it is not a problem, because we have terminologies, we have formats that are open, and then one algorithm, one service can understand the data, even it is in OMOP, FHIR, OpenEHR, and then you can build your service, your artificial intelligence service, for every ecosystem that is developed based on this standard. When you have local data model in your ecosystem, this artificial intelligence algorithm that you develop is just for you. You cannot export this to other platforms, to other regions, to other countries. So for me, of course, open source is super nice. But even it is super important. More important, in my opinion, is that we have this open model data ecosystem. If we have this, we really produce open artificial intelligence service that we can move and put around the patient in every country, every region.